So guys, we are here at the starting point, the meetup place, Palaji Toll. We're heading towards Hassan Road, I believe. Yeah, a really special ride. After a really long time, I'm riding for a long trip. I guess the last long trip was Chikmagalur only, but it was a solo ride. Today we are joined by Vishwas and a few of his friends on the multi. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Oh my god. Where are they? Oh, I think some adventure gang is here. That's not us. This is us, I guess. No, I don't think so. Yep, we are here. Hi, bro.
What's up?
I like it, When you get it? Long back. First time we're riding together. We are riding together, I guess. Hi, bro. Faisal. Shrikant. Hi, bro. Faisal. Pravesh is coming.
I don't think so. We'll bounce. Yeah.
We'll move.
Yeah, I don't think we'll come.
Come.
Wait for now.
So we're just leaving from the Palaji toll now. That's Vishwas on his weird flex, but okay. That's Shreyas on his ZX 10R, and we're joined by Shrikant on his Monster 821. Okay, bro. Cool. So we're starting around 6:13. We should reach Mayura by probably 7:30. Not 7:30. 7, probably 7. Yeah. Let them lead. It's just the 4 of us today. Wallet check. Yes. Illegal number plate. Salpa fine hakrapa. Just kidding. That looks good, bro. I think it's not the normal 821. Not sure. I hope my audio is coming clear, guys. I did a lot of modifications last night with my friend JD Rides, just for the audio to come a little more clearer than before. There was a lot of wind noise, so what I did was I put back my chin guard and I made holes in them for the mount, but it's kind of loose now, as you can see, so I don't know what to do about that. Muk is around 323 from my house, so probably like 254 or something. From here, or 280. Let's keep a rough estimate of 280 kilometers. I just fueled my tank, and that's how many kilometers I've done after the refill. Just 16 or 17 now. I hope it should give a mileage of roughly about 350. 350 would be a really good mileage, since it's a 17 liter. Okay, I told her not above 140. I'm gonna stick to my words. There she is. Can't take corner in traffic, bro. He has a stock slip-on, but it's decatted, so it's pretty damn loud, man. It's all so foggy. That's a good ass driver there. Gave way to bike. Okay, I'm not gonna go fast, bro. I'm gonna go with the group. I'm a good boy. Yes. Okay. Put the hazard lights on. Wait for the boy. Yes, sir. Is it on? Yes. Noob vlogger mistakes 101. Bro, this is why I don't need a fast company. When you see someone going fast, obviously you'll end up going a little faster than you should. Oh my lord. I don't know, Vishwas is pretty fun. We'll wait for them near this toll. After this toll, it's going to be... At this hour, it's going to be very open. I hope I stick to my words, not above 140. Bro, I saw an accident here. A video of an accident here. So what happened was an auto guy came, he rammed into all these barricades and he fell, and I think one was spot dead. Oh, that's the only thing I can think of whenever I come here and slow my speed. Too many accidents happening nowadays. Just ride safe. Remember always to finish your ride wherever you go, even if it's for 5 minutes, to get some groceries or some 500 kilometers to Leh or something. Just finish your ride, come back home. That's the most important part of a trip. So we're waiting here for Vishwas and Shrikant. Yeah, trying. Yeah, they're here. Yeah. I love this weather on this road. It's beautiful to ride in the fog. I still remember one ride. It was with SOS, Change of Speed, with TV, 10 hour on steroids. Mohan, Arjun, yeah, Arjun wasn't there, I guess. Yeah, DC days. Then Bala, Krishna. That ride was literally beautiful because that was our annual meetup ride. So around, I guess, 25 bikes came. Even Nagarjun, Hemant, there were many more bike tours. And this ride was like everyone was together and it was beautiful. The fog, you couldn't see in front. So no one, that's like the first ride. 10 hour on steroids, DV didn't paste as much as they used to. Obviously they pasted a bit, but not as they used to. And we all were in the group and then we went together. It was a really good experience. This was starting of my riding days, probably last year November or something. 2019 November probably. Actually riding this close is also not safe. You have to leave a little gap and then go to the side. Yeah, probably this much is enough, because you can maneuver if something happens too. It's not, sometimes it's not about, sometimes most of the times when you're on the highway at least, and you're doing speeds above 100, it's more about how you control when a mishap happens, like how you find the gaps and you go out rather than just braking. If you panic brake, you'll probably, it won't end up good for you, but you never know. You just have, it's called panic braking for a reason. You won't know what to do, you just panic. Yeah, 120 I think is what Vishwas is cruising at. That's doable. If you're doing 120 guys, I think we should finish by, I think obviously reach Dhruv Tare by 45 minutes. Yeah, but today is pretty crowded considering like the before rides. This time it should be like the whole stretches should be open, but we haven't come far either. We have just come like 10-15 kilometers. This is like the morning traffic of 6 o'clock. So probably by 7:15 max we need to reach Dhruv Tare. Touch wood. Then if you leave there by 8 also, which is what you're planning to do, we'll reach Kudremukh by probably 10:30. Okay, for all of you who don't know what that means, is that basically slow down. There's some, like, either there's a hump in front, or there are people slowing down in front, or there's a truck switching lanes. You just show that to your fellow riders, because you obviously can't move your right leg. You'll be on your back brakes. So left leg is pretty much useless. Just get on the right gear and show your leg out. Maneuvering 100. Oh, I guess from here it's gonna be open. It's like, this is like the starting line. And like, finish him. Bro, I want a 10R with DCAT, bro. It's so loud. It's talking so slowly. I don't think I crossed 140. I'm a nice boy. I'm a good boy. Not yet, at least. Okay, no, bro. Slow, slow. I still manic. I'm sorry. Copyrights will come off. I won't sing. It's too good. My voice is too good for YouTube. They'll put copyright. Or else I would have sang for you guys. Oh, I love this part, bro. You can corner. Good. Not properly good for a long time. Oh my lord. Look at this fog. This feels good, man. Thank God a friend recommended me to wear warm clothes before leaving, or else I'd be crying. 110 only, I feel like crying. Okay. No. I'm going with Vishwas. He's gonna come. Yes, I'm gonna follow. I'm a good boy. Shreyas is tempting me to be a bad guy, but no. I'm gonna follow rules, be in speed limits, be in my limits also. Vishwas is gonna give one flyby. Okay, that wasn't Vishwas. Vishwas is where, bro? Somewhere far. I think it's the first time Vishwas is riding with a pannier behind, top box behind him, so it might get him time to adjust to that, because the wind vibrations will be different, right? You can't corner like how you normally do. Like if you do like this also, it'll sometimes hit you back, sometimes it'll pull you down. So you need to get used to it for at least starting 100, 250 kilometers. Not 250, I guess 100, 150, then you get used to it. Especially with the experience Vishwas has. Oh, did you know, guys? Vishwas did on his F3 from Bangalore to... Okay, I want you to guess where. I want to guess where has Vishwas done from Bangalore. Okay, making it too obvious. It's not something great also, but yeah, okay. Guess where Vishwas took his F3. He was probably one of the few, if not the first, to take our MV Agusta there.